Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. It is February 22nd, 2021 here at Universal Orlando Resort, and we are going to check out some pretty big Velocicoaster updates. The walls have come down, and you can now look inside of the Velociraptor paddock where the Velocicoaster is. So we're going to head over that way, get a closer look, see what's going on in there, and check out some of the brand new merch that they just put out today. I am super excited, and I hope you guys are too. So welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. Yes, hello everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. Welcome back to Universal Orlando. Today, we're going to head over to Jurassic Park to get a closer look at the walls that have come down at the Velocicoaster. Now, they've always had walls, they're the walls to like the Raptor paddock, but there's been these like wooden walls behind it. So now those are down, so you can look through the bars and you can actually see the roller coaster. You can see where all the roller coaster happens. So we're gonna head over there. Hopefully we can catch it cycling so we can see the train run and get our closest look that we've ever gotten at the Velocicoaster so far. I am super excited. Shout outs to Orlando Inform for being quick on that social media and letting me know this was happening. I was literally packing my bags to go somewhere else and do another video, and then I saw this and I went, oh, I guess we gotta go back to Universal. But I'm excited. This is gonna be great. We're gonna head over there now. I came over to this side of the Velocicoaster because I wanted to do the setup for the video right over here with this wonderful 155-foot top hat behind me and maybe try to catch it running. I heard it's been cycling pretty early today, so I was excited to see that, but I guess not. I should probably head over to the Jurassic Park side, shouldn't I? Some walls come down and others come up. Dudley Do-Right is closed for its annual refurbishment at this time of year. Look at this. This is so cool. Look how close you can get to this roller coaster. How exciting. Oh my gosh, ready? Oh, Velocicoaster. Okay, that's the best I'm gonna get. I can't stick the lens through here. Wait, yes, I can. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that waterfall. Look at this. Wow. This is like a whole, look at this network of roller coaster they got going on here. This is so cool. I think right there, behind the bars, I think that's the first launch, right out of the first building. You go out this way into the ride over here. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is the stuff that excites me. And it seems as if I'm not the only one. Everyone's just here watching over the Velocicoaster. Look at that window over there. It's almost like from Jurassic World when you're like looking into the Indominus Rex paddock. I hope that's a part of the queue you can walk by. Let's see. We got the launch right over here. That's kind of fun. This is the first launch right over here. I like these trees, make it look like this is the Raptor fence. I hope they shake around. We've got the river adventure in the background, some beautiful trees blossoming, the entrance, Pteranodon flyers, the walls of the Velocicoaster. I mean, Jurassic Park is pretty much finished, right? This is what it's pretty much gonna look like for a very long time until they add something else here in Jurassic Park. And honestly, I'm kind of here for it. It looks pretty great. Have a feeling I'm going to be waiting by the Velocicoaster walls to see it go by for a little while. So I'm going to get a snack here at Natural Selections. It's a really cool treat cart that they have here in Jurassic Park that I haven't actually gotten to be able to get something from yet. I'm going to get a papa rellena or an empanada. We'll see. Knowing my luck, as soon as I bite into this always delicious empanada, the Velocicoaster is going to shoot off right behind me, but well, if it happens, it happens. I'm here all day. Okay, so I've been hanging out by the wall for what feels like an hour now. There's really not that much going on. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit of Jurassic Park. I'm gonna go towards the water over there where the entrance of the ride is supposed to be. But let's actually look at the merchandise over here first. This is all of our Jurassic World, our Velocicoaster merch, our blue stuff over here. Look at this. Ooh, I used to have one of these as a kid. These are some very interesting socks. Here they have the stats for the Velocicoaster right over here. This will be good to memorize. 0 to 50 miles an hour in 3 seconds. 70 mile per hour boost. Ooh. I actually kind of like this hoodie. Is it a pullover? Yes, it's a pullover. A big old Jurassic World logo right there. Some Velocicoaster toothpick holders It's what they call shot glasses. What could go wrong? Which makes me think, you know, like every single Universal ride, something is gonna go wrong. Finally, Universal is making some white t-shirts. No more black t-shirts, it's too hot. You know, I said I wanted to buy this on a special occasion. Today feels kind of like a special occasion. I think I'm gonna get one of these little guys and bring them home. What's interesting to see is over at the store over there, I noticed that they don't have the same shirt that I saw at Port of Entry when I was coming in this morning. The one that said Grand Opening 2021. So maybe they pulled it already? That's kind of fun. Let's see what's going on at the entrance of the Velocicoaster. All right, ready? Here we go. Ooh. That looks pretty cool. Check out those raptor statues. Still no sign of that Velocicoaster. We're here by the fence here. Michael is a big Jurassic World fan. You actually got a hold of the grand opening merch?
I did. It is the shirt.
Cool, and then the pin looked really cool. Let me see that. Oh, that is awesome. Thank you, dude.
Vincent, what are you doing?
There's a bug on your shirt.
Yeah, that was good. Bug on my shirt? Just pour some amber on there.
Look at those guys over there. Those engineers, that creative team. What are they looking at? Looking at those helicopters. All right, come on, let's do this thing. Oh, I hear it. There it is. Look at that. Goes up to the top hat and
They stopped it.
oh, they did stop it, didn't they? Yeah, I was like, where did it go? Interesting. We're gonna hang by the waterfall now, see if we can get some cool close-up views of the coaster from here whenever it shoots off again. I heard something. Yeah, here it goes. Oh, look at that. Does it come from here? I don't even know where it comes from. Wow, the Velocicoaster. It's really, really cool to see, but it is taking its sweet, sweet time. It is 3 o'clock now. I think I've been by that area for almost an hour, and it's only gone by twice. So I'm gonna get some food at Thunder Falls Terrace, eat there for a little bit, let the sun come down a little bit more, and then go back to the bars and see what's going on with the Velocicoaster. And we're back out in the park. We had a delicious rice bowl at Thunder Falls Terrace. It's very, very good. That's definitely one of the best quick service restaurants at Islands Adventure. We're gonna head back towards the fence at the Velocicoaster and see if there's more testing. I mean, this is such a cool sight. Hearing the waterfall and being able to look inside and see the roller coaster, it's so cool. I'm so happy this is happening. Come on, show us something, something. Anything, one more time. Just one more time, please. Now it's a completely different group of people hanging out here, waiting to see something from the Velocicoaster. Another group of hopeful theme park fans like me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call it for the day. I don't think much else is gonna happen here with the Velocicoaster. We got the walls down, we got our sneak peek of, oh, there's people taking pictures. We got our sneak peek of the train cycling a couple times, twice, and I think that's it for now. So see ya, Jurassic Park, when we see ya again, which I have a feeling will be soon. I'm gonna head towards the Mythos waterfront, try to get one last good look at the front of the Velocicoaster, the sign and all that, see like if anything cool is happening, and then we'll get on out of here, go back home. So the sun is coming down at this side, so it's kind of hard to see what's going on over here, but you'll have to take my word for it. There's really not much anything different. I was hoping to see the torches lit up by the entrance over here, but we'll just have to wait another day. Now that I think about it, now that the walls are down and you can look inside and you can sort of walk around the whole area, I think the next big thing that's going to happen with the Velocicoaster is them opening up that courtyard to everybody. Or the windows on the Discovery Center, they have this like green kind of like cover so you can't look over. They'll probably get rid of those too. And I'm sure when that happens, it'll be the same group of people showing up, standing at the entrance. I wonder if they'll open that area, even though the ride isn't like officially open yet. Something to think about until the next Velocicoaster video, of course. All right, just one more look at it. Yeah, this is a tough time of day right now to try and get any sort of pictures or footage of the Velocicoaster. You just get this kind of cool silhouette, honestly. This is a fun day. This is a really, really good time. It was really nice and honestly kind of exciting to see the Velocicoaster that close and get that sort of first look into how awesome of a roller coaster this was going to be. It's also really great just to like spend time with like other theme park fans and roller coaster enthusiasts and all that kind of stuff. It was nice to just like stand there with them for 3 hours because that's just how we do things. But I had a good time and I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me and seeing a little bit of the brand new Velocicoaster. It's going to be great. So with that being said, hey, thank you guys for watching VincentVision. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos. I am hoping that the next time the next big Velocicoaster thing happens, I've got the day off like I did today, so I can go straight to Universal and get a cool picture in front of the sign over there. You know, right by the entrance. That'll be really, really cool. And you guys can come along with me when that time comes. But until then, thank you guys for watching VincentVision. So excited for Velocicoaster, and I hope you guys are too. Bye-bye. Again.